man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. The box is tuned to
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
try to get situated on the
Looks
build
good.
updates.
There you go. I like the way you got this so your box doesn't move.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah, I'm still trying to finish it out in the back and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Still got a couple of wires to run.
Nice. So the HCCA 15.
Yes, it's the original copper coil, not a black series.
Okay. Is this dual 2 or dual 4? Do you know it's wired
Dual
to?
2.
Okay, so 1 ohm. Okay. Awesome. What vehicle?
1998 Honda Accord,
Okay.
2-door V6.
All right.
Yeah, just a little daily build.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. The box is tuned to 29 hertz.
29 hertz tuning. All right. Yep. Do you have a stock alternator, you said, though?
Unfortunately, yeah.
That's all right. Well, you have an 8K amp. Actually, you probably want to get a high output for that much power.
Yeah, I got a little 250 on the way from Brand Big, so hoping it does something.
Oh yeah, you'll definitely help. You'll probably go from like a 90 amp alt support to
Yeah, I got a 2001 Tahoe with 4-star audio EL15s, MB4K,
So you
bank lithium, 398, 16 volts.
There you go.
This is just the reliable one.
The reliable daily getter.
She's getting a motor right now, so.
Yes, sir. All right.
Alrighty.
Awesome.
Yeah, I do not recommend JVC headphones.
JVC? No.
I like the Apple CarPlay, but
I see a lot more Kenwood and Pioneers.
Yeah.
Or the the Alpines.
Let's hope the amp holds in. Just heard audio door speaker.
You want to shut the trunk real quick?
Oh shit, yeah. Good song. I need to get my batteries in here so I can go full tilt. I just retuned everything because I just threw a set of Hertz audio door speakers all the way around.
Okay.
That side, so
Yes, sir. Have you tried doing any box movements yet?
Not yet. I've really wanted to flip the box around just to see what it does with the board out here.
Yeah.
I did a 145 on the dash today. So,
All right, there you go.
I think it was around 35 hertz, right around that area.
With that much
so.
power and stuff, you probably break a 50 once you do your electrical upgrade and get your box
That's
right.
my hope. That is my hope.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm going for.
You'll get there, man. Awesome. Yes, sir. Power and sub, you probably break a 50 once you do your electrical upgrade and get your box.
That's
right.
my hope. That is my hope.
Yes, sir. You will get.
What I'm going for.
You'll get there, man. Awesome. Appreciate the demo.
Oh, dude, I appreciate the video.
Yes, sir.
Bro.
Nice to meet you, man. And your name?
Carson Barker.
Carson. All right.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.